Imagine if you could switch any window, glass wall, or door from clear to frosted with the push of a button. Smart PDLC film is great for both residential and commercial designs. Our clients can choose from our standard PDLC, Smart Film, and Ultra Clear Smart Film to upgrade their clinics, storefronts, homes, conference rooms, office partitions, hotels, and much more.
Why bother with curtains and blinds that go in and out of fashion and are difficult to clean? Nowadays, you can instantly achieve privacy with switchable glass products. If you're looking for an alternative to traditional window treatments that is modern and minimalistic, then Privacy PDLC glass is the perfect solution for you.